welcome you to the show.
Hi everyone, it's Vitasta and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. I would really appreciate if you take a moment and check out more of my videos, and if you feel like that, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm cute. And if you're an existing subscriber, hi, welcome back. I am sending you lots of hugs. This is my second time that I'm doing a clothing haul on this channel. The first time I did was of Shein. That was around a year ago, more than a year ago. Since Shein was banned, we all just went in havoc. It was like a nightmare for all the girls who depended on Shein, because Shein was kind of a forefront of fashion world of Indian middle class ladies like myself. Not gonna lie, the collection was really nice, even if the quality wasn't that great. It was always so trendy and affordable. Okay, so was nobody gonna tell me that Shein is back? What? Okay, it's back to Amazon, but still Shein is back. Okay, continue. Then came Urbanic. I think it's called Urbanic because it's Urbanic, but everyone calls it Urbanic for some reason. I'm gonna try calling it Urbanic. Urbanic came to the rescue of people like us. Urbanic came to our rescue, and it was like a Shein-like site, and literally everyone I know started purchasing from that website. I didn't really show any interest at first because I didn't need any clothes, but then I really needed clothes. So I went to Urbanic to purchase my summer outfits. Urbanic is based in India and it was formed in 2018, and they only sell clothing and accessories. There are no bags or other things like belts or headgear or shoes, footwear and all of that. Plus it's also a little more costlier than Shein was, but it's still affordable. So Urbanic's website is basically full of Instagram clothes. Everything on there is just whatever is trending, so you will find a lot of things that are owned by everyone else. I still think they will improve because they're very new. There's also one more problem with Urbanic, which almost everyone faces, is that they take a lot of time to deliver. They take almost a month to deliver your clothes, or maybe more than a month. It says on their site that they will ship the products in 10 to 13 days, but it actually takes double than that, so that was kind of weird. Other than that, I really don't have any complaints with whatever I got. I really like all the clothes and I cannot wait to show you guys. So I bought a bunch of clothes and accessories. I'm not a very accessory person, but I just wanted to try because a lot of their collection was really cute. Also, one more thing is pretty noticeable is that they have this great packaging, very protective. They have these Ziploc packaging for each and every item. I love collecting those Ziploc packages because they are very useful for traveling and stuff. Starting with this little star necklace. It's very simple and delicate, just how I like it. It can be worn with literally anything, but it came broken. The hook on this was kind of broken and it's really weird. So the very first item is broken, so bam. The next item on my list is this butterfly pendant. It is so pretty. When I first set my eyes upon it, I was like, I want it. But there's a problem with it also. It's so huge. Why is it so huge? So this is the actual size of this bracelet. Like, why do you have to be this large? Like, whose hands are gonna fit in this? It's too small to wear as a choker. It's too large to wear as a bracelet. So I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with this thing. Just because it's pretty, I'm gonna try and figure out if I can make a necklace out of it. I got another bracelet set because apparently I have a thing for bracelets now. This one is really cute. It has 4 different bracelets and every one is unique. I love the little details on each of them, and if you like wear it together, it looks pretty, I guess. It has this little boho chick vibe, which It's not me, but I'm trying. Next thing I got is this lock and key earrings. I think they are really unique. The lock and key imagery is kind of... Although I wish the hoops were smaller because I'm not a fan of big earrings and big hoops, but regardless, I think they're pretty. And finally I got these daisy earrings. This is so not me. Like, I never wear anything like that. I should own something like that sometime, because have you ever seen me doing something like this? I don't think so. Next, I got not one or two but 3 scarves. Like, what was the need? First one is this typical blue scarf that is really like an essential thing. I think this is something that everyone should own right now, because you know, Y2K fashion is back. It's like really trendy right now, even if you know it already, because literally everyone has it. Next one is this silk kind of scarf. This is very much giving me Olivia Rodrigo's Deja Vu, but this is kind of larger than the previous one. I didn't have any idea of the size on their page. I think I need to find different ways of putting on scarves, because I have 3 of them now. And the third scarf, which I thought would be the size of the first scarf, it is actually like really super large. Seriously, so long. Why is it so long? And the last accessory that I bought is this pair of sunglasses. They have amazing packaging, because these are very Y2K-ish sunglasses, and they do not serve the purpose of protecting you from the sun, because how would they? They are literally half open, but it's very trendy right now. I think you got an idea why did I buy all of this. Do you see where I'm going with this?
Do you get deja vu when she's with you?
Yes, that's exactly what I wanted to do. I love t-shirts. I'm a full-on t-shirt hoe. Part of this has to do something with my body insecurities, and t-shirts really save the day for me when I'm not feeling, you know. First t-shirt I got is this large size graphic t-shirt. It's my favorite color. You can see it's very colorful, and the print quality is super amazing. It's not cheap at all. Fabric, however, is not exactly cotton. It's polyester, but it's not at all cheap looking. I love the sizing of this t-shirt. I think it's perfect for someone like me.
Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up.
Next t-shirt I bought is this tie-dye blue color t-shirt. You can already see how the color pops out. This has a vintage kind of print, and tie-dye is really in. This t-shirt, however, is more cottony. This one is also in large size, but I think the sizing compared to the previous t-shirt is kind of smaller. I really needed the arms to be a little bit bigger.
I stop listening to my conscience, get lost in this nonsense again and again. She hangs on way too
The third
tight.
t-shirt I got is this white colored t-shirt which has a little print. I love how the print is so good quality and vibrant.
We mix the okra with the plantains and the pho. You already know it is.
The next thing I bought is very unnecessary. I got a hoodie. I got this large AF hoodie. There's an astronaut on it which has lines of planets lined up, and I thought it's really cute along with this neon greenish color. Fabric feels like it's cuddling you. It's large size and it's very huggable.
You're the piece of shit. Now fuck you.
Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in. Funny how you back for the lovin', I got 1 2 minutes.
Then I got this red cardigan kind of top. It bears a very close resemblance to the viral strawberry dress, so it caught my attention real quick. Whole look is very vintage, and it looks like it's wool, but it's not. It's very breathable. I love balloon sleeves, and this has one. Plus the buttons on it give a very vintage kind of feel. The next thing is this daisy blouse, which again has balloon sleeves. This one has mesh all over it and it looks very delicate, but it's not actually. Fabric is really strong and the sleeves are super fluffy and super pretty. It's very much Cinderella vibe.
Every single time, would it be lonely to live above the bright blue sky as I gaze you? I let
Believe me when I tell you, it took me a lot of courage to order the next few items because I'm really insecure about my arms and my arm fat, and I usually do not wear sleeveless clothes. I always try to wear something that has sleeves. So the next few items are sleeveless. I always used to avoid these kind of clothes, but this time I did not shy away because I think we all deserve to wear whatever we want to. So I got this yellow bandeau top which screams summer. It is yellow and it has flowers printed all over it. It's in medium, but I think it fits almost everyone because it's so... It would look great on denim or white or yellow or whatever you want to wear. The next item is this black tank top with one sleeve. I've never owned anything like this, but this is super trendy and I am sure you have seen at least 10 people wearing it on Instagram, me being one of them. It's very simple yet chic.
Ting out your chest and you sweat and your palms just won't rest. For a second you'll regret it, almost wanna take it back.
The next item is this black off shoulder. This looks tiny, like it would fit a baby, but it does fit me because it's super stretchable. I love the neckline and the look it gives is so classy.
Because you said it, I hope you meant it. Don't be embarrassed, no.
Then I got this green bandeau top. It's sage green, which is a very calming color. Sleeves make it look more comfortable to wear, and I would also love this top if it was in bright pink shade. Probably next time.
Baby, it ain't just you. I feel it too. I know this.
Then I got this orange blouse. It's kind of corset shape, but it's not exactly corset. I absolutely love how bright the color is and how good the quality of the cloth is. This complements my color so much and the frills are so pretty.
Mothers from the motherland, my fathers from the motherland, my daughters from the modern age, my daughters from the modern age.
I got this tank vest which is very boho style. It kind of looks like a scarf and it has that mandala drawn all over it. I thought it's cotton on the website, but it's actually silk. It's all polyester. I'm just telling you how it feels. My only problem is that it has the cuts too deep. I really don't like to wear deep cuts from the side. So it looks like I'll have to wear something underneath it, but it looks and feels very comfortable. It's really something meant to wear on a beach where, you know, air is flowing all the time and it's super comfy. It just reminds me of a beach day.
I told my mama I don't want her working. She came here from morning.
Then I got these tie-dye lowers. I am sure you have seen literally every Instagram chick wear it. Count me in, girls, because this is fire. I would have loved it if it was cotton, but I think this fabric will do. It's very breathable. This is super comfortable and trendy. I really love that skinny jeans are out of question because those things were uncomfortable. There was no chance I was gonna wear skinny jeans this summer. Thank God they are out. Bye. I just bought it to try the size, but I think I'm gonna order more bottoms from URBANIC now that I know my size.
Know where I came from.
Gotta know that I'm with the rules, baby, lay back. Yeah, you know where my place at. And
I saved the best item for the last. I got one dress, only one. This is so cute and flowy. The print is so beautiful. I love the knots on it. They are so pretty, and overall look is so cute. It's very flowy, so I can, you know, twirl around in it. This is my favorite item from the haul, and it looks exactly how it's shown. This gives me very much Ariana Grande, Grammy vibes.
Got myself up in the backseat, driving to you on the back streets.
So that was all. That's all I spent on URBANIC for now. I hope I can buy more products soon, but since they take like a month to arrive when I won't want them, so I'm waiting for if a need arises to buy new clothes, I will. But for now, my summer is set. So here's my final review. I think URBANIC clothes are super trendy, so whatever is trending and in fashion right now, you will most likely find it there. The sizing is mostly correct. If it's small, it's small. It's medium, it's medium. It's large, it's large. The quality is really good. It's not cheap at all. It's all polyester, but it's on the better side. It's like mehenga polyester. Their colors and prints are so vibrant and so good quality. It takes longer to arrive than how much they promise, so that's kind of. They also give these little coupon codes with all your orders. They kind of lure you into buying more stuff, which is okay. I mean, it's your choice. So that's it, guys. That was all I had to tell you. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's where I will post the pictures wearing all these outfits, and maybe on Twitter and Snapchat as well. But before you do that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I am very thankful that you watched this video with me. I'll be back with something else to show you. Till then, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.